new sort of weekly, monthly vlog. I don't know how I should call this one because I didn't upload a video on YouTube for quite some time, and I really apologize for that, but there is really a lot on the plate these days. I'm still completing the end of the fairy tale workshop with the end of the unicorn and the bed canopy, and I know I have talked about this workshop for a long time. I started to film it at the beginning of October, but really it's a big one, so I don't do that all the time, obviously. I'm not sure I will have such a big workshop even next year because it's just a lot of work. But I'm happy I'm reaching the end at least. And you can see the unicorn behind me, which is almost finished. It's the third animal we do actually in the workshop, and I'm still painting at the moment. The papers for her are drying, and I take advantage of that to film this introduction for this vlog. So she's going to have few decors, and she shouldn't stay here. I will show you where she's going to end up. But at the moment she was playing here, and I think she was having fun on the fireplace, and it works quite well behind, but I'm not sure I will keep her here because her legs are pretty big and she takes a lot of space, so we will see. I will show you though where she's going to end up in the living room. You are going to see in this vlog things I filmed these past weeks. They should have been on a vlog before this one, before the end of November, but I didn't have the time to prepare one. So this month, what I've been working on, worked a lot on this workshop, finishing it, editing, doing a lot of things, printable documents. There was so much to do with a workshop. Most of people don't really understand, including my family. They don't really understand exactly why I take so long on something, but it's just a lot when you are on your own doing everything, replying to questions. There are all sorts of people who are all sorts of problems, you know. When you do something like that, there is mainly problems to solve. So you do that between editing 2 videos, filming other videos. So, but I'm reaching the end. I'm super pleased about that. I also reopened the 2-part Christmas workshop, which launched in 2016 and 2017, and they are now available on their own. So for people who are interested, they can have them as a bundle, or they can enroll in each of them if they prefer. And this is other past ornaments we have done these 2 past years. And so I prepared a lot of things for that too. I had to update a few things, and there will be the new Christmas workshop coming next week. So I have still a lot of things to do for that. So I try to do the most I can each day. So it's the reason you didn't see a lot of videos. I went in Savoie too. You are going to see some footages about that, things I filmed during my little trip here, just to bring back a few elements of decor I'm going to use for the new Christmas workshop, and also for my Christmas display. I will have a lot of videos around Christmas, including the first one, which will be my Christmas tree. I will show you all the decors I'm doing. I'm doing a bit more than last year this year because I finished the studio, so I'm going to do funny things in the studio, and I have more and more decors, of course, every year as I'm creating more and more. So there will be the decors I've made these 2 past years and the new collection arriving too. So it's going to be pretty fun, and I'm going to share all that with you in the upcoming days, upcoming weeks, till we arrive to Christmas. I also wanted to remind the ladies who might see this video before Saturday, or even before the mid-December, that if you are enrolled in the Fairy Tale Decor Workshop, I remind you that we have some Skypes every Saturday till mid-December. So at the moment when I'm filming this, we have 3 more Skypes. One tomorrow, the Saturday 1st of December, and 2 others. And it's really nice if you have enrolled and you have some questions, you have things you want to adapt. There are some ladies who want to adapt a lot of things. It's just the best place to connect, to talk, to give me your ideas, things like that, to meet other ladies. It's just really precious, and I won't have that next year. So it's really the moment to join and to come. Even if you didn't start any decor yet, it's not a problem at all. You can still join and see what others are doing, what problems people have, and things like that. And I can give you also some suggestions and advices. So you are most welcome to join. It's really something I don't do all year long at all. It's just now, and I won't have any new Skypes for this workshop specifically. So you are most welcome to join. Now let's go back to all the footages I filmed. I try to organize them in a bit decent way, and you will see things I've done, the unicorn, my little trip, and a few other things. this late afternoon, I'm going to continue to film the unicorn. We are going to do the legs now, so I'm going to film how to do my legs. I'm taking inspiration from several books I have of paintings, because of course there were a lot of horses painted in the past with the good shape we want there, so it's quite nice. I have this one, and I also have my Rucketer's book, so I'm going just probably to imitate this one. It's not unicorns, but they have and they are white, this one, so it's super inspiring. I will keep those to get inspiration for the painting and all that, but I'm going to try to replicate this movement of the legs for the front legs of our unicorn. So that's what I'm going to film this afternoon. So today it is Saturday afternoon. I have finished to film the sculpting of the legs of the unicorn. I'm going probably to have a walk right now. I'm going to have a bit of fresh air. This evening we have our first Skype with the ladies, some of the ladies at least who have joined the fairy tale decor workshop. So we have some session till mid-December. We have the first one tonight. I also wanted to share this book by Elizabeth Gooch, who is an English writer. I had found it in my old bookshop, where I find all my books. Every book I find in this place is always a bit magical. It's always in a way related to what I'm doing, even if I had no idea what this story was about, but I just bought one last month and really enjoyed it. And this one is, I don't know the English title of this one. I think it's The Hub of Grace or something like that. And there is a magical deer inside in the story. There are a lot of animals. There is a rabbit, a magic forest. So it's really, really nice. And as I have done the deer, I really thought it was a nice coincidence that there was this thing in this book. But pretty much every time I bought and read a book from this shop, there was really a nice connection or something very interesting. So, and most of the books I bought were all super, super good, even if I had no idea what the story would be about. But this one by Elizabeth Gooch, I really recommend it, and I'm going to try to find a lot of other of her books, because I really enjoy them all. And yes, there are many I didn't read, so need to find the other ones. To show you how the unicorn looks like on my wall. I'm going to show you just quickly. It's going to be a test too. I'm going to remove her from here, though she's not totally finished, just to show you how she looks like on the wall. This is how my unicorn looks like without all her papers. I'm super pleased about how it looks like with the wallpaper around her, with the almost empty wall. I think it looks super well. I'm really excited to see what the apprentice magicians are going to do with this one, how they are going to have them in their homes, because I think it's just a fun totally unexpected decor. You don't expect to have that. So here's the front. We are also doing the back actually, and I will have my back in another room, which is the hind legs of the unicorn. And here she also has some papers and some things around just to give the idea that she's really walking through the walls. So I'm super pleased. The first test I do with her on the wall, and it works really, really well. Well, maybe it's a him after all. It's a man unicorn. And you're going to see it also with these final decors on the Christmas tree video. You're going to see that in a few days. Thank you so much for watching this messy vlog, which was made a bit of strange footages filmed this past 2-3 weeks. I'm going to finish now totally my unicorn. I'm going to finish her papers and she's going to be on my wall tomorrow. I'm filming also tomorrow the Christmas tree, so I'm going to show you also that. If you are interested, it will be the first of my Christmas series video that you are going to see a bit every week this upcoming month. Till Christmas, you're going to see a lot of videos about that. Still have a lot to do, so I'm going to leave you here. I thank you so much for your kind messages on my videos, on my blog also. I like to read them, so thank you so much for that. You can give a thumbs up if you like what you saw. You can subscribe also to the channel, which is the best way if you don't want to miss all the new videos coming, including all my Christmas decors videos, my Christmas series. For now, I leave you here and I wish you a beautiful day. And tomorrow, it is December 1st, so it's going to be official. It's the Christmas season, so we have a lot to do.